Okay, let's try it later. Here, this one. Then let's go to make a hook earring. Yeah, hook earring. Hook earring. Hook, I'm going to use the 1 millimeter. 1 millimeter of the hook. Just need to cut the wire 1 millimeter. Okay. And we make a hook by ourselves. How to make it? You can use it bend at your plier here. Make a loop. See, this way, make a loop. Okay. Then tie it, put it at this part here. Then go to fold. Can be folded on your plier, the bend here. Okay. Here. Then here, this part a little long. Just cut. And we bend it. Okay. So it's a hook. If we want the hook you make that's not easy out of shape, go to use the hammer part here, just the top. Let me hammer to show you. Just hammer a little bit the top here. So then this part not easy to bend, so it's come out a strong earring. And the top use the bit. Last time many customer got the bit. The bit, let me see. Do you remember? The bit that's by this, the top going to use the, put this side in the drill machine and polish the top. Polish it here. Yeah, I'm show you. Okay. This. So now it's a smooth round, right? Here. Smooth round, not be hurt. Okay.